Hey, what's up? It is your girl Sylvia Curatini here, coming to you with another awesome video and bringing you another awesome work from home job lead. For this company, they're looking to hire service advocates where you will resolve questions and issues by helping the customers. Utilize products, services, and tools. All right, let's get into the video. All right, awesome. So the company that I'm going to be discussing here with you today is called Florida Blue, and they're hiring for service advocates. So for this specific position, for your service advocate, the main idea is to focus on servicing the current and potential customers, which are defined as members, providers, agents, brokers, benefit administrators, or benefits consultants. So you will resolve questions and issues and help the company's customers utilize products, tools, services, and directly contribute to the customer satisfaction and retention. So with your essential job functions for this role, you will work of a service advocate and is guided by the instructions, establish work routines, and or close supervision. So you are given some latitude on deciding how tasks and duties are completed based on changing work situations, workflow, and supervisory approval. You will be able to perform semi-routine duties within established systems and procedures. And some examples for the specific duties may include provide customer service and education to plan members and providers by answering more complex questions regarding insurance claims and policies. You'll be able to resolve issues and ensuring customers that they understand the company's products, services, and processes. Calls are predominantly routine, but they may require, from standard screen scripts and procedures. So that just means that, you will go through training, they'll give you scripts, and they will let you know how the company wants you to handle phone calls. But at the same time, they're just saying like it doesn't have to be repetitive. As once you learn the company's role, then you can be able to add your flavor in, what makes you unique in, your flavor to your own routine and your own call script. You'll be able to review high-risk claims, determine whether to return, deny, or pay claims following a contract benefit and organizational processing guidelines. You will also perform additional research to develop claims, including contacting providers or members. You'll use computerized systems for tracking information gathering, and troubleshooting. You will actively seek, identify, and implement process improvement opportunities. So the required work experience for this specific company is 1 to 2 years of related customer service or contact center work experience or equivalent. You also need your high school diploma or your GED. And then as for preferred experience, they do prefer you have that previous call center or customer service background. It's not, a requirement, but it's definitely preferred. And if you are interested in working for Florida Blue as a service advocate, you'll simply either click on this green button here that says apply now, and you can even email this job to a friend if you would like by simply entering their name and email here, then clicking submit. And then you also have another apply button, apply for now, up here on the top right corner. So this job is available. It is a remote position for the United States. And if you are interested in this, then you simply click the link that I will have below this video and you go apply today. Submit your application and go apply for this role. All right, so there you have it. That was a remote position with a company called Florida Blue for the service advocate position. Simply apply by clicking that link below this video if you are interested. Now, if you are interested in making money online and earning passive income without, having a college degree or any of that at all, you don't need any experience to learn these skills and learn how to make money online with affiliate marketing, because that is exactly what I do. That allows me to stay home every single day with my kids and be able to make an income. If you're interested in that as well, I'll leave the link below in the description of this video as well. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a like and be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss out on any future videos, because I'm here giving you the hottest, the latest work from home leads so that you can be able to either find a remote position to work from home or even start your own online business. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.